Welcome back once again to our YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove background noise using CapCut. Okay, so let's head over to our CapCut application. So this is my CapCut. Okay, so when you come to your CapCut, you need to come to a new project here. Then you import a video that you're going to remove the background noise. Okay, so let me look for a video that I'm going to import. Okay, so let me look for a video to import. Okay, so I'll import this video here. Okay, so let me reduce the sound a bit. Okay, so after tapping on that, I'll come and tap on add. So I'm going to import my video and it's first getting compressed before I can import it. So we have to wait for it to get compressed. It's just a few seconds and it will be done. Okay. All right, so it's at 90%, now it's at 100%. Okay, so our importation is basically complete. Okay, so this is how this video is playing. Okay, so that's how the video is playing with some background noise in it. Okay, so let's show you how we are going to remove the background noise. Okay, so to remove the background noise, come and tap on the video here on the timeline of the video. So when you tap on the timeline of the video, it will be highlighted, as you can see. Okay, so when you tap on the timeline, options will appear here down. So you scroll till you reach reduce background noise or video effects. After video effects, so it is here, reduce noise, and it's after video effects. Okay, so you select reduce noise. Okay, so when you select reduce noise, come and turn on this button here. Okay, so noise reduction is in progress. So after that, what you need to do is very simple. Come and tick it here. Come and tap on this tick in the right bottom corner. Okay, so when you do that, you've basically reduced the noise. Okay, so when you do that, you've basically reduced the noise in the background of the video. Okay, so the video will be playing smoothly and the noise will be reduced. Okay, so if you found value in this video, please like the video and we shall meet in the next video.